Good morning, YouTube observers. This is another update on my Radrunner Plus upgrade. Finally installed the front motor, 750 watt, that I ordered. Installed it and finished it about an hour ago. And I'm telling you, it was actually straightforward. I didn't have any hiccups, so and it just went in. It just went in perfectly. This is how the rad should look from the factory. I mean, this motor up front, it doesn't. It looks factory to me. You know, I know some of the front hub aftermarket out there. It didn't look right because the one I was looking at on Amazon, it was a little bigger than this one, and it kind of stands out. And now looking at this bike, you know, it flows. It looks good. It looks factory. It looks like it came from the factory. It doesn't look aftermarket at all. And I have installed I haven't connected everything yet. So my next project is just putting the 35 amp controller in the box and hooking everything up. But I think it looks pretty good. And the wheels looks stock. So anyway, I will go ahead and take a little break, and I will keep you guys updated on my next install, which is this thing right here, my 35 amp controller, and I will keep you guys posted.